Hi, my name's Sam Langrich. I'm product manager here at Keystone RV for the Montana fifth wheel line. We're standing outside our new 3231 CK with our new exterior graphics package. This floor plan is exciting inside and out. We've got 37 foot of a fifth wheel loaded with features. Why 37 foot? Currently we build Montanas from 35 then to 40. This 37 foot hits a need right in the middle that our customers and dealers were asking for. So let's get inside and show you all the exciting things. Welcome to the new Montana 3231 CK. This is a center kitchen floor plan that we are so excited about. We're really excited for anybody that loves to cook and spend time in the kitchen. We've got some unique features we'd like to share with you in the kitchen area. Specifically over here, we've incorporated a farmhouse style range hood that actually lifts and is assisted by gas struts and has hidden storage. In addition to this feature, we've also added a full pull-out countertop extension. In most brands, they'd have an inexpensive flip-up countertop extension. Here, the entire bank of drawers and countertop pull out, and then are safely secured with a set of magnets for transportation. All of this in the center point is the Suburban Stove. Suburban's a great name, great reputation, with a 3-burner cooktop, porcelain grate, and large oven. Also with the lighting feature of a push of a button. In the area of a pantry or pantry storage of this floor plan, rather than doing a closet style pantry, we've done residential pull-out drawers. As you can see here, you have a total of 4 6-inch tall pantry drawers to provide abundant storage. Now, by doing this configuration, what it's allowed us to do is to actually provide you with more counter space and a larger window to bring in that natural sunlight. Also standard in all of our Montana fifth wheels are an over-the-range convection microwave, a great opportunity for you to do residential cooking in your camper. So let's go take a look at the bathroom. The 3231 CK offers a bathroom with immense space, also loaded with features. You have your stainless steel undermounted sink, not only once but twice, dual medicine cabinet, which provides additional storage. Some competitors you'll find where they just actually mount a mirror onto the wall. Center cabinet, again, to be shared, and all of this drawer space. A bank of 3 drawers with the soft close drawer guides. As far as our shower, you have our large residential shower, which is a one-piece fiberglass. No plastic showers in a Montana fifth wheel. And behind the door, you'll find a large linen cabinet with 3 doors that provides ample storage for towels or whatever you need. We feel this is the best bathroom in the industry. Welcome to the master suite of our 3231 CK floor plan. Here we're showing you the king bed, which is optional. A queen bed is our standard feature. Also, you've got your large dual mirror doored wardrobe with our convenient shelves that can be used for clothes or for your shoes. Also incorporated into this is a very convenient dirty clothes hamper. Behind me, you will find your washer dryer prepped cabinet. This cabinet is prepped for either a combo washer dryer or a stackable by removing this shelf. The louver door will actually keep your clothes dryer cool, and you can leave the door closed as it operates. A very nice feature. Also in the bedroom, you'll find this nice convenient residential style dresser with 6 drawers. This allows you plenty of storage for linens or clothes or anything you have, and it's all incorporated with the soft close drawer guides. In all Montana fifth wheels, you'll have standard at 32-inch LED bedroom TV. On behalf of myself and the 250 plus dedicated employees that build Montana fifth wheels, thank you for taking the tour of our new 3231 CK.